Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a wide range of financial products and services, making it an ideal platform for both beginners and experienced traders. Whether you're interested in trading cryptocurrencies, staking, or earning passive income through other means, Binance has multiple avenues to explore. Before diving into money-making strategies, it's essential to understand the basic functions of Binance. Start by creating an account on Binance. Ensure you complete the necessary identity verification, or KYC, to access all features. You can deposit funds using fiat currencies like USD or EUR, or transfer cryptocurrencies from another wallet. And don't forget to enable two-factor authentication and other security measures to protect your account.
Trading is one of the most popular ways to make money on Binance. Here are the key types of trading. Spot trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies at current market prices. You profit from price fluctuations. For beginners, it's crucial to start with small amounts and learn the basics of market analysis. Binance also offers futures contracts where you can speculate on the price of cryptocurrencies. Futures trading can be highly profitable, but is also riskier due to leverage. It's recommended to understand the risks and start with low leverage. And then there's margin trading, where you can borrow funds to trade larger amounts. While this can amplify profits, it also increases the risk of losses.
If you're looking for less risky ways to make money, Binance offers various passive income options. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrencies for a specific period to earn rewards. Binance supports staking for various coins like Ethereum, Cardano, and Binance Coin, or BNB. The rewards are usually paid in the same cryptocurrency you stake. You can also earn interest by depositing your cryptocurrencies into Binance savings accounts. Flexible savings allows you to withdraw anytime, while fixed savings offers higher interest rates, but requires you to lock your funds for a set period. And don't forget about liquidity farming. Binance provides opportunities for users to participate in liquidity pools and earn fees from transactions. This is part of Binance's DeFi, or decentralized finance offerings.
Binance Earn. Binance Earn is a suite of financial products designed to help you grow your crypto holdings passively. Launch Pool. This allows you to stake BNB, BUSD, and other tokens to farm new tokens for free. The tokens you earn can later be traded or held for potential appreciation. Dual Investment. A product that allows you to earn enhanced yields by staking your crypto in two assets. It's a bit more complex and best suited for those who understand the underlying risks. Risks and best practices. Market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, leading to significant profits or losses. Start small. Especially as a beginner, start with small investments to minimize risk. Diversification. Don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Avoid emotional trading. Develop a strategy and stick to it. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market hype or fear. Making money on Binance requires a combination of knowledge, strategy, and risk management. Whether you choose trading, staking, or other methods, it's important to start small, learn continuously, and use the resources available on Binance to improve your understanding. With patience and discipline, Binance offers multiple pathways to grow your cryptocurrency portfolio. This guide should give you a solid foundation to begin your journey with Binance. Remember that while opportunities abound, the cryptocurrency market is inherently risky, so always proceed with caution.